Samsung is currently getting ready to launch Z Flip 5 next month, which has a much larger outer screen. The first flip style foldable with a big cover screen was the Oppo's Find N2 Flip, which was launched internationally this February. Despite being a new device, Oppo is also working on the successor that will be called the N3. A new rendering has come out depicting the Oppo Find N3 Flip. It has an outer screen which is very similar to that of the Find N2 Flip, that will be a 3.2-inch size. They are not interested to enter the screen enlargement game that Motorola and Samsung is engaged in this year. N3 Flip will have a third camera. The positioning is very similar to the N2 Flip, it's just having an extra sensor. According to the source, the Find N3 Flip will share the same cameras of the recently launched Oppo Reno 10 Pro. That will be a 50 megapixel main with OIS, Sony IMX890 sensor, at 8 megapixel ultra wide, and a 32 megapixel 2x zoom, which is a new addition compared to the N2 Flip. The rest of the specs is same, and there will be nothing else changed in it. The pricing will be also more or less similar. This 2x camera on the back is actually not needed. They could have given a 3x zoom, because 2x you can get a crop from the main 50 megapixel camera. As the 50 megapixel sensor is a large sensor itself, you will get around 80 to 90% of the quality during the day. They could have given a 3x zoom camera, and they could have given a portrait effect of 1x, 2x and 3x. So I don't know why Oppo is giving a 2x camera. Even in the OnePlus 11 they give the same camera. Why do you need this 2x camera in the first case?